First, get a breaker bar and get a 17mm deep socket to loosen up the lug bolts. Next, lift the car with a floor jack or whatever method you have. In this case, I use a scissor jack just for safety. Get your 17mm deep socket and impact tool so we can remove the wheel and have more space to work on. There should be 14 10mm bolts to remove the fender light, and the last one is this sucker right here. Use a Phillips screw and a trim removal tool. Remove two 10mm bolts and a plastic screw. For us to do that, we're going to pop the hood. Now make sure to remove both 8mm bolts. Now there are two 10mm bolts underneath, but you don't really have to take them off. It's gonna give you a headache. Remove 3 T20 screws and follow the video. Pull gently, there should be a rubber stopper at the front of the heatsink. Save some time with a pick tool, trust me. Now here are the circuits for the Amber DRLs. My only gripe is that it doesn't come with thermal paste. Other brands do carry thermal paste with it, so we'll see how it goes. T10 torque screw to remove this. Guys, if you don't have a torque screw by now, just stop the video. At this point, just use your hands to gently connect the harness to the circuit board. Then again, just be careful, it's plastic. It breaks easily. Next, just make sure the LED works. And there you go, the DRLs are on. And here's a quick comparison between stock and the Amber DRLs. To save you the tedious process, slap everything back on, put your wheel back on. Just take your time, don't be in a hurry, don't fully wrench in your bolts yet. We're going to use a torque wrench for that, but before that we have to lower the car, make sure it has contact on the ground so it's much more easy for us to torque it. Now the A90 torque specs is 140 newton meters or 101 foot-pounds of torque, and do that for all 5.